signal to his guys. He's gone. I got him.
We went up the back of the building.
Sean, in this way. Once they make contact, we'll assess and we'll pick which way we're going to attack and leapfrog past them.
Welcome back to the channel, squad. In today's video, we are at Night Sky 8 at EMR. This is being hosted by Otherworld Milsim Productions.
Objective.
Yeah, Ryan.
So we are currently pushing the ranch, trying to capture this objective. From there, we're going to move up to the town.
Nice.
The Federation's been holding the town almost all day, so we're going to see if we can break through their lines.
Copy that. Got a box down here, we need bands on.
Is that red? Yeah, it's red. Tango's that way.
So we volunteered to accompany Blind Sniper and his squad to take the ranch. From here, he's going to go over to the crash site. If you want to see that footage, go check out his YouTube channel. He's an outstanding sniper, and I love his gameplay footage. His sniping gameplay footage is top notch.
Multiple tangos on the other side of this thick stuff. They're moving left to right. Sean, let's push ahead. We'll try and draw fire. We took that position. Advance, let's try and draw fire, guys.
Today I'm shooting my custom AK-74. It's got a Redline N7 Gen 2 engine in it. This is the first time that I've taken it out and really stretched its legs, and it really performed well.
Yes!
Yep.
12 o'clock, contact. Cricks, watch yourself.
I don't see any.
All right.
Copy, I see him, Ryan, hold.
Copy. Hold, Cricks. Good kill. Cricks, right there, Cricks. Right there. Get low. Come to you, Cricks. I got him. He's gone.
Oh, I see him now. Is that the ghillie suit?
Yeah.
Damn, he's hidden.
Yeah.
Now, a product I want to spotlight is the aerators. These are safety glasses with fans on either side and a built-in battery. I had a ton of questions, people asking, will these hold up? Are they competition to X-Fog? And I absolutely believe that these are a direct competitor, if not an X-Fog killer. They just worked outstanding. They've got power mode settings. You can keep them on lower power mode. The fans aren't going crazy. You can barely hear the fans even on high mode. So throughout the day, I had it on the lowest setting. We had 2 thunderstorms at the event. It got extremely muggy. Everybody was fogging up, except for me and the guys running X-Fog systems. I'm not going to knock that system. However, the aerators were just awesome. There was one time where my glasses started to fog up. I switched to high mode, the fans kicked in, and cleared the glasses right up. So, love these. They are my new favorite. I know Jackal is getting a shipment of these in, and I would strongly advise picking some up. You will not regret it.
Yeah, man. All right. Guys, two of you want to go up there, get in the village. We'll go up here and get in the village. Whatever happens, happens. We got to find that box, though. It's got to be somewhere in the center over by us over here. Go. Check that way. Castle. Yeah.
First floor door, second floor windows of right side tower. Multiples, 3.
I see him.
3. 4.
Webb, go. I'm going this way. Anything?
They're there.
No, I mean, we're looking for the objective. Nothing here.
Hey, guys, they're going to make a flank on our left.
Somewhere back over there.
All right, get there. Guys, fall back. Sean says it's behind us. Fall back a little bit. This next house is behind us. Any of those?
Alright, so this will wrap up the video. We successfully got into the town, but were unable to secure it. We ended up getting squad wiped here. We had a ton of fun. This is a must-play event. I'm definitely going to be there next year. It is just an outstanding event, outstanding venue. The staff was amazing. Just everyone did a great job. So really enjoyed it. Thank you so much, Paul, Jackal Tactical, Otherworld Milsim, and everyone else who pitched in equipment to make all of this possible. Elite Force for BB, Specna Arms for their Ear Pro, just everyone who sent stuff. Thank you so much for that. I'll catch you on the next one, guys.